Greetings and welcome to all the new members of our NIFT family. We always feel happy to dream, but we feel even happier and merrier when we get the power to realize the dream. We in the fashion technology department convert the concepts into reality. The 4-year bachelor program is designed to meet the requirements of ever changing challenges of the apparel industry. The program prepares skilled and efficient human resource to take on following techno-managerial aspects of apparel production industry, garment production, quality assurance, garment fit, industrial engineering, product development, sourcing, project analysis, production planning, entrepreneur development, human resource management, system analysis, software application, and merchandising. Initially, it was only a 2 years postgraduate diploma course. But as this program is highly industry responsive and we at NIFT are always ready to incorporate changes in our curriculum so that our students can respond positively to the changing environment of the industry. As the industry wanted more in-depth inputs vertically as well as horizontally, the program was converted to a full-fledged 4 years Bachelor's of Fashion Technology, BF Tech. Currently, both programs, MF Tech, 2 years Masters of Fashion Technology, and BF Tech, 4 years Bachelor of Fashion Technology, are running at various centers of NIFT. The program lays emphasis on best practices in apparel manufacturing and prepares professionals who can significantly contribute to the fashion technology domain of the apparel industry. As we know, when we hear something, we retain it for a brief period of time. When we watch something, we retain it for further more time. But when we experience something, we retain it for a lifelong time. This program focuses on holistic pedagogy, and that's why it stresses on both inside classroom teaching as well as outside classroom experiential deliverance. Following teaching tools are used for better deliverance and understanding. Lectures, demonstration, audio-video aids, workshops, practical real-life projects, seminars, assignments, industry visits, and inputs by foreign faculties and leading professionals from the industry. This program gives wide range of career opportunities as this is one of the most versatile programs offered by NIFT. There are various promising career opportunities available in the following domains: production planning and control, product engineering, technical services, quality assurance and control, product development, fit analysis, and project management. The second year introduces apparel technology subjects like understanding raw materials and machinery specific to apparel manufacturing, introduction to statistical tools and softwares related to the apparel industry. Students also get hands-on experience to transform the raw material from 2D to 3D through pattern making and garment construction. The third year imparts knowledge in production planning, operation management, quality management, fashion merchandising, costing and work study, advanced pattern making and garment construction. Deepening specializations offered in diverse and contemporary topics like mechatronics, method time management, big data analysis, and specialized contoured garments. Further, the students are introduced to application-based subjects like product development and analysis, plant layout, 3D simulation, fit issues, apparel CAD, and grading. At the end of first year, students go for craft cluster study for 1 week where they take the project of technology intervention for the improvement of overall work environment. At the end of second year, students get an opportunity to go for the textile internship for 2 weeks in textile manufacturing mills where they experience the different processes of fabric manufacturing and correlate with their classroom teaching and understanding. At the end of third year, students go for an 8-week apparel internship in leading garment export houses within and outside the country, where they do in detail study of garment manufacturing processes and also take couple of projects assigned by their mentors. In fourth year, they go for 14 weeks graduation project where they select the project in consultation with the department faculties and their industry mentors. The aim of the projects are to find a commercially viable solution for the contemporary challenges faced by the industry. We at NIFT ensure that our students do not only go through an academic learning process but also go through an overall personality development. Some of the various job areas where our students have got placed are under the categories of merchandising, production, planning, operation, retail, consultancy, e-commerce, entrepreneur development, ERP, and others. Now let us introduce you all to the very lovely faculty members of our department. Dr. Shipra Sharma, Associate Professor and Campus Academic Coordinator. She's an MF Tech MBA and has more than 22 years of experience in industry and academics. Next is Mr. Saurabh Chaturvedi, Associate Professor, MF Tech NIFT and BE Textile Technology from RGPV. He has a PhD which he is pursuing from IIFT and more than 15 years of experience in industry and academics. Now you're seeing on your screens Mr. Aman Nagpal, Assistant Professor, MBA in Systems and MSc IT. He is also Webmaster NIFT Kangra. Next is Ms. Chavi Goyal, Assistant Professor. She has a Master's in Clothing and Textiles from MSU, Baroda and UGC NET qualified. She is pursuing PhD from Bansthali University since 2015 and has more than 10 years of experience. Now on your screens is Mr. Neeraj Jaiswal, Assistant Professor and Course Coordinator of DFT. He is a NIFT alumnus and holds a postgraduate degree in Garment Manufacturing Technology from NIFT Kolkata in 2001. He has more than 18 years of experience. Now on your screens is Mr. Muhammad Umar, Assistant Professor and Sports Club in charge. He is GMT from Northern Indian Institute of Fashion Technology, Mohali, Punjab 2009, UGC NET qualified and has more than 10 years of industry and academic experience. Next is Mr. Kamaljeet Singh, Assistant Professor and IDL, GMT from Northern Indian Institute of Fashion Technology, Mohali, Punjab 2007. He worked with Shahi Export and has more than 12 years of industrial and academic experience. Coming to the various classroom activities and projects, here you can see various snapshots of the lectures, fold and pin techniques, pattern making, labs, draping. Look at how beautifully all these fabrics have been draped. And after draping comes construction, and a sewing machine is the weapon of our mass construction. And as now you can see on your screens are some of the very beautiful garments that our students have created with their very own hands. All the garment construction processes are done in the garment construction lab, and alongside that, various prototyping projects and spreading mode projects are also given. And throughout this journey of learning, you will definitely bloom into a better version of yourself while asking questions like, "Kisi ko samosa khana hai kya?" and going on various industry visits. Some of the recent industry visits that our students went to was one to the Malwa Industries, then to the Garment Technology Expo and Knitting Unit in Ludhiana. After the 4 years of hard work and dedication comes the day of Technova, your graduation day. Here are some of the snapshots of our passing out batches from their Technova. Now taking you down the memory lane, here's some of the images of the batches who successfully completed their 4 years graduation. I mean, just look at all those happy faces. Here are some of the images from the Teachers' Day celebrations. And definitely, we all have a lot of fun along with the academic learning here in the DFT department. So, what's new for you? Craft? What's that? I also want to know. No problem. We will send you to beautiful places of Himachal for a week to experience the craft of Himachal on a one-on-hand basis. And you will also get an opportunity to opt for an indisciplinary minor and get to experience what's cooking in the neighborhood house. You'll also get an opportunity to opt for a floating subject, which will grab you more credit with less effort. And finally, you can opt for a DS or a deepening specialization in the subject of your choice. We truly hope that each one of you will undergo a holistic learning process and will make memories and friendships that last forever. Thank you and welcome to the batch of 2024 from the entire Department of Fashion Technology. We hope that you have a great year and college experience ahead.